Right, hi guys.
Can you put a flower on my head?
Flower?
Put a flower on my head. How high can
Here we have a cute bird. What's his name again?
Has he ever run away before?
Holly. It's a girl, is it?
Yeah.
Has he ever tried to run away before?
Yeah, he did run away.
He didn't come back till an hour.
Yeah. He went all around everywhere.
No, now.
No.
No,
No.
not today, no.
He follows my hands. We won't even be
Yeah, but
Oh, by the way, we haven't introduced these guys yet. We haven't done a vlog in a while. So that's Millie. That's Casey. That's Lewis. Okay, and that's the girl. These are the bird people. He just flew at me. He's like, he's retarded. That bird is retarded.
I need fight.
Well, he's not coming on this.
He likes phones and computers, gets the buttocks off.
No.
He wanted your iPad.
Mama wanted a parrot. Did he want to get the...
It's like a parrot, but very small.
So let's put this bird on Jay's head, shall we? Again. I've got this videoing. Put the bird on. It's escaping. It's in that tree. It's in that tree up there. Oh my God. Where is he?
I can see her. I can see her up there. She's climbing up. She's climbing to the egg.
And you got spotted.
Incoming!
Oh, I can see it. Can you guys see the bird? It's in that tree. Let's zoom in on it. Let's pretend. It's on that woman. Okay, it's rescued. It's on that woman there.
Anyway, if she goes...
And it's rescued out the tree.
You won't get run over with it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to zoom in on that woman's ass.
Yeah, but you could get under the car.
Everyone, you're on video and you have been for a while now.
Yes, not now.
It's been on YouTube before you know it.
Maybe.
It'll be on YouTube.
About bird escaping.
We'll produce it as a movie in a minute.
I'm going to call for Jim.
Okay.
You must go again. He's getting a bit excited. Go in your cage now. He's getting scared.
So we might be saying to
Bye-bye, Holly.
bye-bye to bird. Which I found brilliant.
Because he's very young, he's only 5 months. Silly.
I'm nearly 6. I can't wait to be 6.
So Dad will work again, won't it?
Which road do you live on?
Oh, we live right near Totnes.
Yes, we live near...
Totnes.
We live...
That's where our nan lives.
We lived here.
Wait, whereabouts in Totnes?
Oh, it's like in the fields and...
I can't believe... I can't believe it.
No, they're quite
We come back to England.
No, they're quite cheap. They only £30.
£30? Yeah. Oh my gosh. But is the food expensive?
It's just, no, but you have to have lots of patience to feed them
I
and, you know,
can't believe myself.
play and...
Yeah.
Because if you put them in a cage, they never land. You have to have with you,
Yeah.
you know, on your hand and
On your head.
feed, yeah. Some people put them in a cage and that's it, so they never land.
Okay guys, that was a vlog and now I'm going to go and do some exciting stuff with you in the next episode. Wonder what we'll get up to next. But first we're going to have a few more minutes until they put the bird away. And here we go, it's on Jay's head again.
Holly mustard.
I never...
This one bird, it's got yellow birds called custard and this one is mustard.
Eating some grass.
Neither. I'm wearing tennis already.
Okay guys, this will be the end because I have to use tennis lessons. Whatever we'll get up to next, I don't know. Some exciting junk, I don't know. So bye, we're going to have to end this episode here and I'll see you next. Leave a like down below. Like a boss. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. High five around. Sorry, I'm not Jacksepticeye. Yeah. So, see you in the next episode. Bye.